Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming access. Log into Pocket Option on web or mobile and make sure two-factor or email verification is ready. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard so you're on the main account screen. This avoids wasting time hunting menus. Make sure you have the exact account where copy trading is active, because the next actions apply specifically to that profile. Now open the side menu or profile icon so you can jump straight into the copy trading controls without delay. Once on the dashboard, go to the copy trading section or settings where followed traders and rules are listed. You'll see each trader you follow with options like stop, pause, or unfollow. Use those controls to halt new copied trades. If copy allocation is per trader, set allocation to 0 or remove your funds from the copy pool to prevent further investments. Make sure to confirm each action. The platform may require a confirmation click or PIN to apply the changes. Finish by confirming that every followed trader now shows as stopped or unfollowed and that allocations read 0. Once done, close or manually manage any open copied positions if you want immediate exposure reduction, but understand closing may realize gains or losses. If changes don't stick, log out and back in, clear the browser cache, or try the mobile app. These refresh account state. If problems persist, contact Pocket Option, support with screenshots and timestamps to resolve account-side issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.